Hey everyone, Merry Christmas. Throughout the next couple of videos, I'm going to be bringing some Christmas recipes for you guys. And today I'm going to start off with coquito, which everybody tends to call the Puerto Rican eggnog because it's something that we tend to drink only around Christmas time. Now there's a lot of different ways to make coquito. There's a ton of different versions. I would say there's no right or wrong way to make it. Every family has their own way to make it. Some people even go as far as to make their own coconut milk, which I think is pretty cool. So this is the version my mom taught me how to make, and we've been making it for years. So it starts off with some eggnog, which I haven't seen in a lot of different recipes, but her mom told her to add eggnog, so we added eggnog and we've been making it like that for a long time. You're also gonna need 2 evaporated milks, 2 coconut milks, sweetened condensed milk, some coconut cream, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. And what I'm gonna do is, since we're putting it in a drink, I'm gonna go ahead and take this all out and I'm gonna put it in the microwave so that it melts, because if you can tell, at the top it has cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and just scoop that out, and you see the rest is like liquid. So I'm gonna mix this in a pot because I don't have a bowl that's big enough for all of this. So now all you do is add everything to your bowl, to your pot, and mix it up. It's as easy as that. So like I was saying, coquito is a traditional Puerto Rican drink during the holidays. We'll have it during Thanksgiving too. This is a coconut drink flavored with cinnamon, with vanilla. It's really good. It's like a milk-based drink. And also traditionally, we put white rum in it. Now, a lot of people don't add it. It's optional. It's good if you have kids at the party. You know what I mean? You can make a kid-friendly version for them. So go ahead and add all the milks to the pot. And you want to make this at least a day before your party because it just tastes better the longer it sits. You want to serve this really chilled and over ice. Even when it's cold out the fridge, you want to put it over ice because this is so rich that you need that to be really cold. This is also a great gift. People love to give this as a gift during Christmas. You know, you put it in a nice bottle, you decorate it. It makes such a nice drink. So now we're ready for the vanilla extract and the cinnamon. This is essential in it. It's just not coquito without cinnamon. And whisk everything very, very well because that coconut cream is really thick. The sweetened condensed milk is really thick. So you want everything to be distributed evenly in there. This is as much as I got out of it. It makes about 3 quarts, but all the measurements will be on my website. So remember, serve it over ice, but definitely let it hang out in the fridge for at least a day or 2 before your party. Yummy, it's so good. You should definitely take this to your job for like a Christmas party or any kind of party because everybody's gonna love it. It's gonna be a crowd pleaser. I hope you give it a try, and I'll see you guys in my next recipe. Bye.